Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. I'm going to show you a trick to extract a middle text. When you look at the customer name given here, it is having a code generated by the system. The code is 4-letter on the left. There is a hyphen part of it which becomes the 5th character. Then, which means at position 6, that's where our name starts from. Then also, at the end of every name there is a system generated suffix which is having 4 characters. You see the quadra 0 and the 1, which I've tried to extract here as a right, which also needs to be eliminated. Then at the end of the day we need a name to the customer, removing both the left and the right system generated codes. Now, how do we do that? Please keep on this video up to the end. You'll get that trick, and it is the simplest to do your work. Now, we're starting with a session. On the blank sheet, same names. The first thing, how do we extract the left system generated code in case you need it? First of all, we see that it is uniform throughout. There are 4 characters, which means you can always come here and type equals to left function, and there it prompts you to select the text, which is that, comma, how many characters? We need 4 characters, so I will do a 4 and enter. So when I run this one up to the end, it will give me all the 4-letter suffix generated system codes. Now, at the end of I want to remove these, but for now, this is not the purpose why we're on this video. Why we're in this video is we need the customer name, which is in the middle. Then how do you generate the right one? In case you need it, you use the right function. Click on the text. We have already seen, we have counted the right function or the suffix, which are 5 characters, and enter. These are the characters. By the end of the day, still we don't need this. So we need to remove this and this. So the 4 and the 5 make a 9, which means now the hyphen which remains makes a 10, which means in every name there are 10 characters I don't need to pick. But how do you come up with that? Now, we assume that we don't need all these. We assume that now we don't need all these. I'm just removing all these. Now I'm going to remain with what is the length I have here. So how do we get the length? Using the length function, which is this, equals to the length function, that is the len function. Click on the text, enter. It will give me the number of characters on every customer name here or customer generated code. But on these characters, what I don't need a -10. 4 at the beginning, 5 at the end, and the hyphen making 10. So which means if I subtract 10 and enter, now these are the only characters I need in this. But the worst part of it, or the best part of it, that what we need is in the middle, which means we need anything in the middle number of these characters. So how do I do that? I will do equals to mid. So we use the mid function to extract the medium or the middle character. So this is our text, comma. What character are we starting with? What is the position of the character where we are starting from counting or extracting? Remember, we have 4 in front plus the hyphen, they become 5, which means we are starting at number 6. So I'll type a 6. Then comma, how many characters are we picking? The number of characters we are picking, they are these. So I can say this for now, then enter, which means that is it. So when I drag down, I'll be picking this. But the moment someone makes a mistake and deletes this, we automatically lose our characters. So how do we do that? I will do undo here, Ctrl Z. Now This function you see here, we can shift it and combine it in the function we have. So I'll copy this function. So where there is a D3, we are going to replace it with the function that is already there. So which means our full function becomes mid. The text we are picking from, where we are starting from, that is at position number 6. And how many characters are we picking? We are taking the whole length of this minus 10. And that is it. So which means if I run this one downwards, everything is remaining the same, which means even if I delete this one will be intact. So that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment, hit that notification bell, give us a thumbs up if this video has been of purposeful to you, and don't forget to click or to tap that red button. Bye bye, meet you in the next video.